Now I will teach you how to connect ZENE Brick's power system, the battery box wiring of our double monster car. The battery box wiring. First, this is our battery box, which has 4 channels, which is dark gray, and this is its remote control. This joystick has a proportional function, which means the more you push, the more it changes. Now we turn on the battery box by long pressing. When it flashes, it's turned on. Then press and hold the remote control. Both are on. It means the connection is successful. When we play normally, push the left hand forward. Isn't this the throttle? The right hand controls the direction. Now let's connect the steering motor. This is the wire of our steering motor. They have already installed it in advance. Then connect the steering motor to our D channel. There will be English letters on the battery box. Connect it to the D channel. Then we come in and test it. The D channel is the left and right direction of our right hand. You can see it's reversed now. Leftward should turn left. Pull right to turn right. How to change it? We press this lever to the left. This is to switch the channel direction. Now, when you turn it left, it turns left. And rightward to turn right. Then we connect this monster motor. Because there are 2 monster motors, we need to use the channel merging function. Because the 2 monsters are connected to the same channel, the rotation directions will conflict, and it's easy to have excessive current, which will burn out our electric car box. So we need to connect them like this. This is the steering motor, connected to these 2 channels. Just plug it in. Then put the battery box back first. Cover it and turn it to the bottom of the car. Now we test each channel one by one. Because the 2 channels we plugged in just now are for forward and backward and left and right directions. Push it forward first. It's a motor that's working. You can see that when I push forward, it rotates like this. We can see where the car is going. The car is moving backward. Is this direction wrong? How do we switch it? This channel, and switch it to the top. Now the direction of the steering has changed. It will turn forward. You can see. Now it's moving forward. Then we calibrate the other channel. The other channel is left and right. Turning left makes it turn like this. And it turns like this when we pull it to the right. We don't need to switch now. It's like we push the 2 cars 45. And both of them will turn together. Then push backward. Push it diagonally. We can also play like this when we are playing. We push one motor forward first, and it's working. Because its power can't reach the maximum, the other motor is idle. Then when it starts to run, we can push it diagonally. So both motors work, and the speed will increase. It's like a simple variable speed function. We can play like this when we play normally in daily life. What problems will the dual monster motors encounter? That is, the 2 channels are merged together. Pushing it diagonally will make it stuck. What's the reason? It will twist and can't move. Look, now it just can't move. One motor is rotating forward, and the other is reverse. We just need to switch the direction of these 2 channels. And switch the direction of the switch. When their speeds are consistent, then it can walk normally. If the direction it moves is opposite to our expectation, then switch the positions of these 2 channels simultaneously. Pull this down and this one to this side. Just switch them at the same time, so they will still move in the opposite direction. And then move forward in the same direction. When we are playing normally, what problems will the dual monster motors encounter? That is, the 2 channels are merged together. If you push it diagonally, it will struggle to move. What's the reason? It will twist and can't move. Look, it just can't move now. One motor is rotating forward, and the other is reverse. We just need to switch the directions of these two channels. And switch the direction of the switch. When their speeds are consistent and it can walk normally. If the direction it moves is opposite to our expectation, then switch the positions of these two channels simultaneously. Pull this down and this one to this side. Just switch them at the same time, so they will still move in the opposite direction. And then move forward in the same direction.